வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜிடிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு 3வது. இது வீடியோ பார்ட் 1லேருந்து பார்ட் 15 வரைக்கும் உள்ளதில் 450 எம்சிக்யூவில் 100 எம்சிக்யூ செலக்ட் பண்ணி கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்கோம். இந்த வீடியோவுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்களுக்கு 1 hour ஃப்ரீ டைம் கிடைக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் வீடியோவில் போங்க. செகண்ட் ஒன், பென்னும் பேப்பரும் கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் எழுதும்போது கொஸ்டின் நம்பரையும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரையும் எழுதினா போகிறோம். டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எல்லாம் எழுத வேண்டாம். இதோட லாஸ்ட் பார்ட்டில் ஆன்சர் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், அது நீங்களே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போது வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், த பேங்க்ஸ் ஆர் required to maintain a certain ratio between cash in hand and total assets. This is called A. Statutory bank rate, B. Statutory liquidity ratio, C. Central bank reserve ratio, D. Central liquid reserve ratio. Second one, the price is fixed at full number under A. Odd pricing, B. Psychological pricing, C. Price lining, D. Prestige pricing. Third one, which is an outdoor advertising media? A. Sandwich men, B. Television, C. Radio, D. Film. Fourth one, government securities and other first class papers are A. Corporate securities, B. Gilt-edged securities, C. Collateral securities, D. None of these. Fifth one, ICHR refers to A. Indian Council for Horticultural Research, B. Indian Council for Development of Human Resources, C. International Convention of Human Resources, D. Indian Council of Historical Research. Sixth one, any decrease on the value of assets at the time of internal reconstruction will be charged to A. Goodwill account. B. Share capital account. C. Capital reduction account. D. Revaluation account. Seventh one. Suppose A Limited acquires the business of B Limited. The shareholders of B Limited holding 90% of the share capital do not become shareholders of A Limited. The amalgamation is in the nature of dash. A. Merger. B. Purchase. C. Sales. D. Profit. Eighth one. Who are the following eligible assessees can claim deduction under Section 35D of IT Act preliminary expenses? A. Indian companies. B. Other resident. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Ninth one. Examination of accounts and records done for specific purpose is called as A. Auditing. B. Investigation. C. Examination. D. None of these. 10. In a company, inscribed stock means A. Opening stock. B. Registered stock. C. Unregistered stock. D. Closing stock. Eleventh one. Entry part trade means A. Import trade. B. Export trade. C. Foreign trade. D. Goods imported for re-export. 12. All theories of buyer behavior have been primarily based on dash model, namely stimulation response or SR model. A. Exposure model. B. Learning model. C. Distortion model. D. Retention model. (13) Capital expenditure generally involves A. Large amount, B. Small amount, C. Less amount, D. Meager amount. 14. The excess of actual sales over break-even sales is termed as A. Contribution, B. Margin of safety, C. Fixed cost, D. Variable cost. 15. Cash from operation is equal to A. Net profit plus increase in current asset, B. Net profit plus decrease in current asset, C. Net profit plus cash expenses plus decrease in current asset, D. Net profit after tax. 16. The audit in depth refers to A. Audit of each and every item, B. Intensive audit of a few items, C. Audit of few items selected at random, D. Detailed audit of each and every item. 17. Notice of situation of a registered office is to be informed to the registrar of companies within dash days from the date of incorporation. A. 7, B. 15, C. 21, D. 30. 18. Which one of the following is most important for finding the long-term solvency of a firm? A. Debt equity ratio, B. Stock turnover ratio, C. Premium on investment, D. Fixed asset turnover ratio. 19. A factory is manufacturing one uniform type of product. Which method of absorbing factory overheads would you suggest? A. Percentage of direct wages, B. Machine hour rate, C. Direct labor hour rate. D. Rate per unit of output. 20. Job costing is suitable for A. Mass production concern. B. All concerns. C. Service concerns. D. Specific order concerns. 21. Which of the following is not the responsibility center? A. Expense center. B. Investment center. C. Profit center. D. Capital center. 22nd. The opposite form of import quotas. A. Involuntary export restraints. B. Voluntary export restraints. C. Restrictions on foreign goods. D. Restriction on rules. 23rd. One of the major tasks of marketing management is A. Producing meaningful heterogeneity. B. Dealing with various people. C. Establish distribution channels. (24) SDR is A. A kind of soft loan created by the IMF. B. A type of overdraft at the IMF. C. A form of international reserve issued by the IMF. D. A negotiable instrument of the SBI. (25) Conversion cost is the sum of total of A. Direct material and direct wages cost. B. Direct wages, direct expenses and factory overheads. C. Indirect wages and factory overheads. D. Selling expenses. 26. With the increase to the production of an industrial concern, which of the following increase continuously? A. Average cost. B. Fixed cost. C. Managerial cost. D. Variable cost. 27. Which of the following items is deducted from costing profit to arrive at financial profit? A. Undervaluation of opening stock. B. Under absorption of overhead. C. Loss due to obsolescence. D. All of these. 28. Which is not component of time series? A. Secular trend. B. Seasonal variations. C. Cyclical variations. D. Growth. 29. A multilateral treaty that lays down agreed rules for conducting international trade is called as A. WTO. B. GATT. C. TRIM. D. TRIP. 30. Rights issue refers to the shares issued to A. Employees. B. Public. C. Existing directors. D. Existing shareholders. 31. To prevent recurrence of scam in Indian capital market, the Government of India has assigned regulatory powers to A. SEBI. B. RBI. C. SBI. D. ICICI. 32. Which of the following is non-current asset? A. Debtors. B. Prepaid insurance. C. Land. D. Stock. 33. Which of the following committees examined and suggested financial reforms? A. Chellaiah Committee. B. Abid Hussain Committee. C. Narasimhan Committee. D. Bhagavati Committee. 34. The reason behind the purchase from particular seller is A. Product buying motives. B. Patronage buying motives. C. Economic buying motives. D. Social buying motives. 35. WTO was established in A. January 1995, B. February 1992, C. January 1948, D. March 1973. 36. The main objective of cost accounting is A. Ascertainment of cost, B. Fixation of selling price, C. Presentation of cost data to management, D. All of the above. 37. Double column tariff can be A. General and conventional tariff, B. General and international tariff, C. Preferential and conventional, D. Preferential and general tariff. 38. The external sources of cash is A. Issue of new shares, B. Buyback shares, C. Issue of bonus shares, D. Issue of duplicate shares. 39. Bridge finance is also known as A. Term finance, B. Fixed finance, C. Long-term finance, D. Expansion finance. 40. Interim dividend can be declared by the company at A. AGM, B. EGM, C. Either AGM or EGM, D. Board meeting. 41. Modern day marketing concept is based on the philosophy of A. Product orientation, B. Sales orientation, C. Consumer orientation, D. Society orientation. 42. When operating time is not lost, maximum production capacity of a plant is its dash. A. Practical capacity, B. Normal capacity, C. Theoretical capacity, D. Capacity based on sales expectancy. 43. Which one does not belong to need theory? A. Ego, B. Esteem, C. Social. D. Religion. (44) Tariff is the levy on a commodity imported into the country, B. Commodity exported to another country, C. Domestically transported commodity, D. Levy on manufactured commodities. (45) A fire in factory delaying production for 3 weeks is known as A. Secular trend, B. Seasonal variations, C. Cyclical variations, D. Irregular variations. (46) A policy whereby domestic industries are to be protected from foreign competition is referred as A. Protection, B. Tariff, C. Terms of trade, D. Exchange control. (47) Which is the first bank to introduce credit card in India? A. Andhra Bank, B. Canara Bank, C. Indian Bank, D. Bank of Baroda. 48 Which of the following items is not an operating expense? A. Office expenses, B. Interest paid, C. Selling overheads, D. Postage. 49 Net worth of business means A. Equity capital, B. Total assets, C. Total assets minus total liabilities, D. Fixed assets minus current liabilities. 50 Income from subletting of house property is A. House property income, B. Business income, C. Casual income, D. Income from other sources. 51 Perishable goods are available in A. Regulated market, B. Bullion market, C. Local market, D. Family market. 52 WTO started functioning from the year A. 1991, B. 1992, C. 1995, D. 1998. 53 The document which is issued by the shipping company acknowledging the receipt of the goods on the board of the ship is called A. Shipping bill. B. Letter of credit. C. Commercial invoice. D. Bill of lading. 54. Doctrine of constructive notice means A. Notice of alteration of object class to the registrar. B. Notice of change of name to members. C. Notice to outsiders dealing with the company as to contents of memorandum and articles. D. Notice to public as to issue of prospectus. '55. A set of segments sharing some exploitable similarity is called A. Super segment. B. Product segment. C. Full market segment. D. Single segment. 56. A contributory is A. A creditor. B. A shareholder. C. A debenture holder. D. A debtor. 57. Consequence of non-registration of a partnership firm. Find the odd one out. A. An unrecognized firm cannot sue any partner. B. The right of partners to sue for dissolution of the firm or for accounts thereof. C. A partner of an unregistered firm cannot file a suit against the firm for enforcing his rights. D. Cannot enforce their claims against each other. 58. Caption refers to the A. Row headings. B. Column headings. C. Main headings. D. Paragraph headings. 59. Under how many methods a company can voluntarily wind up? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. None of these. 60. Section 15 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 deals with A. Bill of exchange. B. Promissory note. C. Check. D. Endorsement. 61. Which is not an outdoor advertising? A. Mural advertising. B. Sandwich advertising. C. Sky advertising. D. Press media. 62. From the management point of view, one of the marketing function is A. Organizing labor. B. Product development and planning. C. Creation of a reputation of the company. D. Research, planning and distribution. 63. If duties are levied on commodities in trade between two countries, it is called A. International trade, B. Protective trade, C. Export trade, D. Free trade. 64. Which of the following is not a fully taxable allowance? A. Dearness allowance, B. City compensatory allowance, C. House rent allowance, D. Fixed medical allowance. 65. Interim audit is conducted A. To issue of shares, B. To issue of debentures, C. To declare dividend, D. To reconstruct the company. 66. The company secretary is answerable to the A. Directors, B. Shareholders, C. Promoters, D. Registrar. 67. To overall maximum managerial remuneration shall not exceed dash of the net profit. A. 5%, B. 6%, C. 10%, D. 11%. 68. The balance of trade is also known as A. Capital transfer, B. Gain from trade, C. The visible balance, D. Foreign trade. 69. Checking a few transactions selected at random from a large number of transactions by an auditor is known as A. Routine checking, B. Internal checking, C. Test checking, D. Continuous checking. 70. The capital with which the company is registered is called A. Subscribed capital, B. Called up capital, C. Authorized capital, D. Working capital. 71. When a firm is in equilibrium, its output is such that A. Cost per unit of output is lowest, B. Total profits are greater, C. Total costs are lowest, D. Profit per unit of output is greater. 72. For the purpose of adoption of indigenous technology, the form of subsidy is dash. A. Assistance in the form of interest payment due to IFCI for first 3 years. B. Concession for 3 years on principal amount. C. 75% of subsidy on cost. D. 75% of subsidy on interest. '73. The National Commission under Consumer Protection Act 1986 is set up the A. State government, B. Central government, C. Supreme Court, D. Local bodies. '74. What is the amount of operating expenses when sales is 14,900 and gross profit is 3,300 and net loss is 500? A. Rupees 2,800. B. Rupees 3,800. C. Rupees 11,100. D. Rupees 11,600. '75. Stock turnover ratio is A. Liquidity ratio, B. Activity ratio, C. Profitability ratio, D. Solvency ratio. '76. Which of the following legislation is enacted to protect consumer interest? A. Sale of Goods Act, B. Consumer Protection Act, C. Essential Commodities Act, D. All of these. '77. Audit of a sole proprietorship is A. Compulsory, B. Advisable, C. Unnecessary, D. None of these. '78. Which of the following is known as fictitious asset? A. Goodwill, B. Patent right, C. Copyright, D. Preliminary expenses. '79. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a public company? A. Separate legal entity, B. Unlimited liability, C. Perpetual succession, D. Common seal. '80. A private company is deemed to be a public company under section 43A of the Companies Act when its annual turnover is A. 10 crore, B. 20 crores, C. C 25 crores, D 30 crores. 81. Push blend and pull blend. These words are distinct types of A. Sales blends, B. Promotion blends, C. Planning blends, D. Advertising blends. 82. Limit of the number of directorships are prescribed in the Companies Act 2013 with the effect from 1/4/2014 under which section? A. Section 65, B. Section 110, C. Section 135, D. Section 165. 83. Expand the term SDR. A. Special duty rights, B. Special development on road, C. Special drawing rights, D. Special delivery register. 84. Auditing can be defined as an independent examination of records, whether dash maintained by the entity to express an opinion whether they comply with the applicable laws and regulations. A. Financial, B. Non-financial, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. 85. Who is not empowered to present a petition for winding up by the court? A. Registrar, B. Shareholder, C. Creditor, D. Competitor. 86. Quick ratio is A. Current asset divided by current liabilities, B. Debt ratio divided by equity ratio, C. Liquid assets divided by liquid liabilities, D. Fixed asset divided by net worth. 87. Sources of capital that provide high risk capital for early stage and growth stage companies in various industries. A. Development and financial institutions, B. Government grants, C. Initial public offers, D. Venture capitalist. 88. Education allowance is exempted under Income Tax Act up to a maximum of A. 3 child, B. 4 child, C. 2 child, D. No limit. 89. Which of the following denotes a combination of various elements of marketing? A. Promotional mix, B. Product mix, C. Marketing mix, D. Distribution mix. 90. A public company having a share capital can start its business on obtaining A. Approval of High Court, B. Approval of Company Law Board, C. Certificate of Commencement, D. Certificate of Incorporation. 91. Zero-based budgeting is a new technology of A. Supervision and controlling, B. Planning and controlling, C. Planning and supervision, D. Planning and decision making. 92. Which section of IT Act deals with preliminary expenses? A. Section 25D, B. Section 35D, C. Section 45D, D. Section 85D. 93. Which one of the following audits is called as vouch and post audit? A. Statutory audit, B. Continuous audit, C. Periodical audit, D. Management audit. 94. Dividing the net asset available for the equity shareholders for the number of equity shares is called as A. Net worth basis, B. Intrinsic value of shares, C. Net payment method, D. Lump sum payment. 95. Which of the following is treated as capital expenditure? A. Depreciation to fixed asset, B. Repairs made to fixed asset, C. Modernization to fixed asset, D. Loss on sale of fixed assets. 96. Frederick K.J. MacDonald established A. Sainik schools, B. Community schools, C. Mobile schools, D. Public schools. 97. The concept in which all costs associated to a particular period should be compared with the revenue associated to the same period. A. Matching concept, B. Dual aspect concept, C. Periodicity concept, D. Realization concept. 98. Capital market refers to A. Money market, B. Stock market, C. Foreign exchange market, D. All of these. 99. which does not come under asset from the following: A. Investment, B. Prepaid insurance, C. Debtors, D. Creditors. 100. When the SDR, special drawing rights, an international reserve asset created by the IMF. A. 1959, B. 1969, C. 1979, D. 1989. இப்போது 100 MCQக்கு ஆன்சர் எழுதிட்டீங்க. இப்போது ஆன்சரை கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 1B, 2B, 3A, 4B, 5D, 6C, 7B, 8C, 9B, 10B, 11D, 12B, 13A, 14B, 15B, 16B, 17D, 18A, 19D, 20D, 21D, 22B, 23C, 24C, 25B, 26D, 27D, 28D, 29B, 30D, 31A, 32C, 33C, 34B, 35A, 36D, 37A, 38A, 39D, 40D, 41C, 42C, 43D, 44A, 45D, 46A, 47A, 48B, 49C, 50D, 51C, 52C, 53D, 54C, 55A, 56B, 57B, 58B, 59A, 60D, 61D, 62B, 63B, 64C, 65C, 66A, 67D, 68C, 69C, 70C, 71C, 72A, 73B, 74B, 75B, 76D, 77C, 78D, 79B, 80C, 81B, 82D, 83C, 84C, 85D, 86C, 87D, 88C, 89C, 90C, 91D, 92B, 93A, 94B, 95C, 96A, 97A, 98D, 99D, 100B. இப்போது டோட்டலாக உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் வருதுன்னு பாருங்கள். மறக்காமல் அதை கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. அப்போ தான் உங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு நான் பார்க்க முடியும். அதே நேரத்தில் நான் என்ன மாதிரி வீடியோ போடலாங்கிறத யோசிக்க முடியும். தயவு செய்து உங்களோட டோட்டல் மார்க்ஸை கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்கு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும் நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.